We're gonna go drop off our stuff at the hotel. They're not allowing early check-in, so we're gonna drop off our stuff and then go eat lunch.
More food.
This guy is already getting hot.
Oh.
And we only sat outside for 10 minutes.
Who got what? Oh my god! Will you marry me? Oh, wrong. Will you marry me? Yes. Boom. Whoa. Wow.
Nice and cozy. Here's our cozy little room at the Hyatt. Nice king-size bed with the TV. We got the city view, but you can still see a little bit of the water over there, which is nice. And they got this tiny little patio area, which we probably will not be using. And that is all. Sink. And then to the left is John on the toilet. Before we go to Udon.
That katsu.
Yeah, kind of ate a lot. It's okay though. We're on vacation.
We're on vacation. I can indulge.
It's fucking hot. I'm sweating my ass off. What did you say?
Right there.
Water keeps getting in my nose.
Wherever I go, leave with the sun, I will find you later. I see your face with my eyes closed. You are the one I would.
Custard, we got chocolate, and we got coconuts.
I'm gonna spill your sugar. Oh. Chocolate. And it going up.
Me neither, but it's so soft.
Yeah, just about it.
Bomb. Alright, bye.
Tell you softly, but you need it loud. Yeah, you need it loud.
Hello. Putting on sunblock, but we're about to head out maybe to get some coffee before our Diamond Head hike. We came back to the hotel for a little bit to freshen up after Rainbow Drive-In. But
The sunblock smells like tequila.
what?
A little bit.
I don't smell it. It doesn't smell like tequila. Ta-da!
Someone didn't put enough sunblock on me earlier.
I did.
Are you sunburned? I put sunblock on you.
You just burn easily. I've never burned in my life.
Because I applied enough on you.
It wasn't me.
Three, two, one. Green. Fuck.
3, 2, 1.
2,
Green.
1. Green. Air out the pits.
Easier way.
Good work.
Oh, you're ruining the piece.
Ain't going with me.
Breakfast.
I got the sun in my eye. Backyard haze as the day meets the night.
Wow, beautiful. Holy blinding legs.
Light of the moon. Me and
Doing the rooster call.
lean back, take a sip, keep it.
Oh yeah.
We're waiting for the UTV
Going
tour
into
right
Jurassic Valley.
now. We're both gonna drive though, or take turns. I think.
I'm adrift.
He's not drifting. No drifting. Show them the greenery.
Green, lush.
Sweating like crazy. This is like a scarf. Hey,
Look, your skin's nice.
it's the humidity.
Wow, so pretty.
On the ground, head in the sky. Beast I'm around, play with my guys. The world spins fast, kick back, kick the back door, ass kick back. Jumping in a pool, cool by the moon. I got the sun in my eye.
Drive off the cliff. Literally have my foot down and didn't go anywhere. There you go.
So dusty. Oh my god! I felt the water.
Look at your unibrows. You should have worn the goggles.
I know. I only wear sunglasses. So it's okay. We're gonna wash it now.
Backyard haze as the day meets the night.
We're getting that chicken. Yeah.
In the light of the moon. Me and you. I got the sun in my eye.
Whatever the sauce is, it's so good. Because the chicken was so good.
So good. I want to get employed.
they doing here?
Harder.
Caesar salad.
Look, he just chopped the whole lettuce into 3 lettuce.
My feet hurt. So he's piggybacking.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Lily Koi, Matcha Cola, and John got the guava. So strong.
Can't go too fingers.
2 fingers.
This is about love because you do what I have love because you and me are just friends. We can eat but we don't want. Circus love it serves a purpose. Entertaining curtains up so no one sees but us. 10 in the evening, looking but not seen.
Wow. Nice. Nice. See, Captain. I'm taking a video. That's so good.
Good work back there. To the shore.
I'm not drained.
I feel great. And I'm barely paddled. I also got motion sickness really early on.
It's choppy out there.
Yeah, very choppy. Ube mochi, butter mochi. The cashier was raving about this one.
It's very chewy. Tastes like ube, butter mochi.
We got the wasabi tuna and
Hamachi.
what flavor?
Hello, Tail. I don't know.
Nope, don't know the flavor, but hamachi. Taro chips, giant shrimp chip. Wow!
Wow. It's good.
Okay. On the way to Dole Plantation. It's our
Dole
last
Whip.
day in Oahu.
I'm Dole Whip. Dole Whip. Dole Whip.
Pineapples grow on the ground.
Let me zoom in. Oh, that was perfect. It's like too foamy. Right?
Yeah,
It tastes good. The flavor's there, but
but it's not
the
like
texture
a
is.
firm
Yeah, it's not
texture
dense.
from Disneyland. Taste is good though.
Taste is good. We're twins.
I got the surprise plate, and he chose his super spicy special.
Oh, the night market.
Yeah.
Good? Oh, it's spicy.
Yeah. That's pretty
cheers, guys. Say these words to each other. I love you then. I love you now. And I will love you always. And go ahead and exchange those laces.